Hello everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're unboxing a very useful tool. A cordless soldering iron. Let's check what's inside and how it works. We are now testing the product to verify that the given specifications are correct. Each temperature mode will be checked using a thermometer. Please watch till the end for the complete results. For normal electronics and PCB soldering. It's ideal for on-site work, outdoor repairs, and places without power. Overall, it's worth the money. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.